A battle is brewing over that booster shot tonight. Who should get one and when? Drug maker Pfizer claims that its vaccine is doing well at protecting us from severe illness, but the company argues that immunity against a milder infection drops somewhere between 6 and 8 months after that second dose. NewsNation's Tom Negevin is live for us in New York tonight. Tom, Pfizer goes before the FDA to officially make its pitch this Friday.
That's exactly right, Marnie. And Pfizer has a lot at stake here, a lot of money to be made on a COVID booster shot. It's full speed ahead on this. The White House Coronavirus Advisory Council also says we need one, but it's the experts at Pfizer who need to be convinced. And so far, they're not. In 2 days, vaccine maker Pfizer will go before the Food and Drug Administration with data from Israel and the U.S. suggesting vaccine protection against COVID-19 wanes approximately 6 to 8 months following the second dose, supporting its request for FDA approval of a third dose in people 16 and older. But wait.
One thing we may not see is that these booster doses have a marked effect on declining the rates of transmission. That may not happen, and that may not happen because so many people still haven't gotten a first dose.
Those first doses, experts say, more important than boosters. And according to the CDC, nearly a quarter of the country's adults have yet to get their first shot. In an interview with NewsNation's Chicago affiliate, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki says the U.S. is ready to roll out boosters for everyone as soon as the Food and Drug Administration gives the okay.
I think most health experts would tell you about the need for boosters for different types of vaccines over the course of time.
Like every year with the flu. But COVID is not that. And supporting the need for a focus on immunization are studies from Utah, Virginia, and Washington State showing a vaccinated person has a 1 in 5,000 chance of getting infected in the most rampant areas. In areas with high vaccination rates, only a 1 in 10,000 chance. The Washington State Department of Health says 1 out of every million vaccinated people in Seattle has been admitted to the hospital with COVID-19.
We have to really understand what do people mean by vaccine effectiveness. And the main issue here is that the vaccine effectiveness in preventing you from going to the hospital, from having severe disease, and from dying continues to be extremely high, even many, many months out from vaccination.
And tonight, the top scientists at both the FDA and the World Health Organization say they do not believe we need COVID vaccine boosters at this point. They say, Marnie, they need more evidence to justify them. We'll find out more about this on Friday.